Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Today we're driving to El Paso and we are going to finally take our lifted FRS and we're lowering it. We're going to be putting it on coilovers, finally. So I'm pretty excited to do that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're going to go down to the shop where I got everything done, introduce you guys to Patterson and everybody, and when we leave, we'll be scraping on speed bumps, so I'm pretty excited. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. And welcome to the channel. Alright guys, just to give you a kind of an idea of what my current ride height is, yeah, that's pretty big. I mean, I can fit 3, that's the stock. So, looks like I'm lifted. Can't wait to get it fixed. Can't wait to get to El Paso and get that lowered a little bit. I'm actually pretty freaking excited about it. So enjoy the ride, enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. All right, guys, so we made it to El Paso. We're at Patterson's, so we're gonna go ahead and drop it off. Pretty excited. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is my boy Andrew's FRS. Fucking gorgeous. He's standing over there like, why bro, why? Coilovers, everything done to my car, been done to his. Looks nice and clean. Oh,
the tragedy.
Tragedy? Dude, it's gorgeous. I wish, I need a trunk like this without the fucking stock spoiler on it, because I want to put my own spoiler on it, but I can't because it's got that one from the shop on it, and I don't want to fill holes, you know what I mean? Fuck, it's actually really nice. Got that NVIDIA N1. Yo, peep them out on Instagram real quick, the White FRS. Yeah. California plates.
Wide body kit next week. Coming from Japan.
Next week? Oh, get it. White FRS Instagram, check them out, guys. Beautiful car.
In the beginning, there was time. No room for darkness to take place. Calling for the light. In the mystery of life. Oh.
All right, guys. So this is Nick.
Definitely did not record the first time, but now we're here. Now we're here.
We're amateurs. But,
Amateur
so
hour,
basically,
for
this is
sure.
the guy who's been doing everything on the car performance-wise, and he's done a great job so far. It hasn't blown up or anything. Just a couple of leaks here and there. But we got them fixed out. They do a pretty damn good job over here. This guy actually does. He does all the work. You see everybody else in the office chilling. He's always out there turning cars, turning the wrench.
The hard
But
work. The hard work.
there you go. There's that fitment. I'm not lifted anymore. The car looks decent.
That looks great. I like it a lot.
I do too. But that wrap is fucking falling off.
On the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, that little piece. They missed.
But it's okay. I'll just don't bother me. It looks good from far away.
Yeah, don't look at it so close.
But yeah, guys. If you enjoyed that video, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.